Hi everyone, Muriel here. Hope you guys are having a good Saturday. I have got myself a little cold, probably from the retreat I just got back from last week. So I'm starting to feel better today. And I wanted to come on and share with you guys the gift bags that I put together. I wanted to share with you what's inside of them. And there's one more thing I want to do to the back that I found in my little stash. I want to add to them. So this is the bag. They're all different, basically. And I showed these on a couple of videos in a couple of ways back. So I'll show you what's inside. And I haven't picked out the card yet, and I'll kind of keep that between me and the person. But here is the altered gift bag that I made for this person. And I was looking on the back and I go, oh, there's nothing. And this is probably hanging a little too much. So let me just clip this under here. Okay. Oh, goodness. Make it go back this way. Okay. So I was looking at the back and I didn't put anything back there. So I looked in my little stash and I have these three critters: the little monkey holding the heart, the little owl, and the swan. So not knowing who's going to get what, let me just put this away real quick. I am going to glue one of each to the back of the bag. I also noticed that the bag does not say Happy Valentine's Day. So I picked these up at a scrapbook store, Ben Franklin, a couple of weeks ago. So they say Happy Valentine's Day, so they're going to be perfect to use. So let's start with adding the cute little chimp monkey. Peel this off here. And get it on the back. Like I always say, you can't trust things to stick. So it always helps to add either more glue or some hot glue. And today I'm choosing hot glue. It's pretty sticky though. It's starting to stick to my finger, so that's good. But I'll just add a little drizzle. There we go. And we'll put him on the back like so. And then we will add a nice little sticker that says Happy Valentine's Day. So I made 5 of these. The other 2 I still need to fill. They may have different stuff in them because when I was putting my thoughts together, I was only thinking of 3 people. I don't know what's wrong with me, but that's what I was thinking. So now there's 2 more. Plus, I had some more stuff to make bags with, so I decided to do 5. So that's much better. So there's the bag. And inside the bag, I am putting... I'll go ahead and open it up. I found this at Target a couple of weeks ago. This is a puzzle. Isn't that cute? That they can put together. It is 50 pieces and it's about an 8x6. So it's not that big, but I thought, how cute is that? So we'll throw that in there. I also have a box of chocolates. I love these. I get them from Dollar Tree. They are Russell Stouffer milk and dark chocolate. So I think you get about, it says 3 pieces. Oh, so not fair. And I am one who can say no to chocolate, but these are really good. So we'll put those in there. I haven't even, excuse me, added tissue paper and the foams. I have the foam hearts. So I will be adding those. I don't have them with me, and I don't think I want to get up and run and get them, but you've seen them before. Okay, so that's going in there. And then you saw the lint roller that I covered with the paper from Michaels. This is parchment paper. And it works perfect. You just cut it to the size and it sticks on, and then I taped it to close it shut. So we're going to throw that in there. I thought that was a cute idea. I also am gifting eye patches. I think we picked these up at, I don't know, Ulta. They are Hello Kitty eye patches. Just, 15 minutes on, take them off, you're good. So I thought that was a cute thing to give. Slip that in there. And then I have one of my favorites. This is a small size of Lumi. This is a body deodorant, and it really works well. Really does. I remember when she was advertising on TV, and I thought, really? Whatever, Instagram and all that stuff. But now she's everywhere. So, and it's good. It proves, it definitely works well. I got my daughter into it, and she really likes it. It just kind of holds back that stench that comes on after we work out or whatever. So if you have a teenager that's ripe, this is going to be perfect. So I'm letting them just try a small amount. If they like it, they do. If not, then they can go back to whatever they were using. That's fine. Then I'm gifting one of the foam paper clips that I created. These are the foams hearts that I think I've had for years and years and years from Michaels. And I decided to make some paper clips with them, so I'm throwing one of those in there. This year, well, I shouldn't say this year, but these are pretzels, right? They are the UTZ Valentine X and O shaped pretzels. I did try them. They're really good. They're really good. And they come in this cute little pink bag, so I thought I would share that with this person. I'm going to make my homemade pretzels, but I'm going to give them just to 4 people because I found this in my stash. So I'm going to put them in these cups. Well, I think it's 5. Yeah, 5. And I'm going to use them in this cup, but I'm not going to make these until next weekend. Okay. I'm also adding in one of my favorites, the butterscotch lollipop from C's Candy. Delicious. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it. They have chocolate and they have something else, but this is a fave. So we'll throw that in there. I had to order something off of Amazon. It won't be here until next week, but I picked this up at Marshall's. Excuse me. It's late night minis. They are hydrating lip sleeping masks, and they come with 1 spatula, and that's why I had to order 5 more. So they're 5 different flavors, and basically you just put it on at night, and I think you put it on at night, and then in the morning you take it off. Yeah, apply generously and leave on overnight. Gently wipe off remains next morning. And there's 4 different flavors: gummy bear, berry, mango, watermelon, and peach iced tea. And this is a cute little applicator, but there was only 1. So I had to go on Amazon and order like 100 for $5. So one of these will be going in the bag as well. So that's going to be fun. And then lastly, you saw the candy box that I made for each person. And I'm using this embellishment that I made. And in the box, there are 3 that have candy, 1 that has a fun item, another one that has a funner item, and then another one that has a funner. Just in case these girls are listening, I need have some element of surprise. So these are going to go in there as well. And then I will throw the foams in, the foam hearts that you get from Michaels, and maybe some tissue paper, and that's going to be that package there. So I'm really excited about that, gifting these. I've made them quite a bit of time ago. and they're ready to be distributed. So what I'm going to do now is find the other critters and get them on the bags as well. Okay, let's add a little, just a little glue to make sure. This is an owl. Look how cute he is. And then get a sticker. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I did make, oh, I'll show you. I made 2 more cards. I need to stop making cards. I have so many cards, but I'll definitely be putting them to use. Like, I have to send one to my sister. Her birthday is next week. Although it's going to be Valentine's, I'm going to hook it up so it'll say happy birthday. Okay, get that one there. And then, okay, this last one here. These really did. I'm so happy with these. This is what can be done when you are working with scraps and when you're working with things in your own stash. Embellishments that you get from swaps. You just have to put those things to use. And that's what I did with these. And they really did create some cute gift bags, which I am certainly proud of. And then here is this. I remember when I bought this swan at Ben Franklin's probably 4 years ago. There you go. And stick them down. And I'm going to be doing an empties probably in another week or 2 of everything that I've used. Probably, I don't know if since Christmas. I'm not sure. I got to look back in that can and see what's in there. So then, there we go. So now that looks a lot better. The other side is decorated and it says Happy Valentine's Day. So that's my 3 packages. Like I said, I have 2 more, but they're not totally full of stuff. So as I'm out and about this week, there may be something else comes to mind. Similar to what I've already put in these bags. I don't want to veer too much off the beacon pass. Okay, so let me show you the cards that I made. Like I said, I made 2 more. And you remember the sweetheart boxes that I made, which these are going to different people. So I'll probably, I don't know if I'll make any more of these. But the last 2 cards, of course, inspired by Pinterest. One of which that I will send to my sister for her birthday. She doesn't watch my channel anyway. So this one here. Okay, it says Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, maybe she won't get this one because I think I put that in all of them. It could be both. So this is a gift card and I just pulled out a non-usable gift card. I tend to keep mine as they get emptied out. I keep them. I have a stack up there so that I have all holidays when I need to use one to show. So this just says you're sweet, and it has a heart that's glued in there, and this is kind of glued in there, and then these hearts here. These little hearts here came from the punch, Heidi Swapp's punch. I just opened up the bottom and 100 of them fell out, so that was perfect. And then you could just slide the gift card like that right in there. Okay, and then I made, of course, a handmade envelope. And then the second one, you guys will love this one. Same thing. This is another gift card. Of course, I had to represent the Seahawks that are going to the Super Bowl. And that goes in there like this. Same thing. This is glued in there, so that's not coming out. So is the heart. Happy Valentine's Day. So that was it. I made those 2. I still have a plethora of cards. But I have some people that I want to send some Happy Mail to. So definitely will be, these cards will be put to good use for sure. So there, you guys. I hope you enjoy these packages that I put together for these special folks. I know they're going to just be beside themselves. And if there's any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer where I got stuff from. I get a lot of that sometimes. People ask, where'd you get the dyes from? Where'd you get this from? And like I say, a lot of my dyes I get from AliExpress. I pull them up from KS Craft. Or if I'm on AliExpress and see something, right, then I just go, oh, I want to get that. So I get what's affordable. I can only purchase what I can afford. I can't afford $20, $30 dyes anymore. I just can't. Just too pricey. So, and then I just take kind of what I have and then replicate what I see. So, there you go, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday. Take care. Bye now.